This video will guide you through the steps to install your FourJaw MachineLink kit. First, check the label on the box matches the machine you're installing it on. Each MachineLink is pre-configured and must only be installed on its assigned machine. Your kit includes a MachineLink device, and if your subscription covers it, a tablet will also be included. Your box will also include a Wi-Fi antenna, a USB cable, a power supply for the MachineLink and another for your tablet if you have one, a sensor box, 2 sensors, 3 extension cables, and some cable clips to manage your wires. Using the supplied fittings, mount the MachineLink externally onto the machine as high as possible and within reach of a reliable power supply. Where possible, maintain line of sight to a Wi-Fi access point within 30 meters to ensure consistent connectivity. For a more reliable connection, you can also connect via an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi. Warning: the following steps involve accessing an electrical cabinet and must be completed by someone competent to carry out this type of work safely. You must isolate the entire machine from power before proceeding. Secure the sensor box inside the machine cabinet using the fixings provided. To install the energy sensor, grab either of the 2 sensor clamps and attach it to a single phase of the machine's main incoming power supply. Then plug it into the green input on the right of the sensor box. Do not clamp a sensor around the earth cable. To install the activity sensor, take the remaining clamp and attach it to a wire that draws current when the machine is running productively. This should be a wire with a minimum current of 1 amp, such as one connected to a spindle, motor, or pump. Then plug it into the pink input on the left of the sensor box. Next, connect the micro USB cable to the sensor box. Feed the other end through a suitable opening in the cabinet. Then plug it into any blue USB port on the MachineLink. You can now close the cabinet. Insert the Wi-Fi antenna into one of the blue USB ports on the MachineLink. Position the antenna high up in an open space, with both aerials pointing upwards to ensure a strong signal. The MachineLink will take around a minute to connect. Once connected, run the machine for 1 minute, then leave it idling for 1 minute to calibrate the signal. If your subscription includes tablets, turn on your tablet and connect it to your company Wi-Fi. Use the pre-installed Wi-Fi Checker app to ensure signal strength is stable. Follow the FourJaw app and select the machine you're installing on from the list on the tablet. Mount the tablet to your machine using the provided mounting method. Use the attached cable clips to neatly carry these wires across to the plug socket you will connect to. Finally, contact your customer success manager at FourJaw to complete data classification and final setup. Your FourJaw installation is complete.